Moving house in Melbourne can be both exciting and stressful. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about furniture removal services and how they can simplify your move. These services are more than just transporting your belongings. It's a complete process where trained professionals carefully pack, load, transport, and unpack your furniture, ensuring everything arrives safely. Why should you hire a removalist? Moving heavy furniture on your own can be risky. It's easy to hurt yourself or damage your items. Removalists know how to handle heavy and bulky furniture with care, using the right equipment and techniques. The process is straightforward. You begin by getting a free quote. After that, a team will arrive with all the packing materials needed to protect your items. They carefully wrap and secure everything, load it into the truck, and transport it to your new home. Upon arrival, they'll help unpack and place your furniture where it belongs. One of the greatest benefits of hiring professionals is peace of mind. You can relax knowing that experts are handling the entire move, making the process faster and safer. In Melbourne, you'll find flexible services to fit your needs and budget. Some companies even offer additional services like storage and cleaning. To ensure you choose the right removalist, be sure to check customer reviews, confirm that insurance is included, and compare quotes to find the best value. Hiring a professional team ensures your move goes smoothly, saving you time, energy, and avoiding potential damage to your belongings. So, when it's time to relocate, trust the experts to make your move stress-free. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips on making your next move easier.